Channel memberships are different from YouTube Premium and YouTube Music Premium memberships, which allow viewers to join YouTube channels through monthly payments. Channel members get perks like badges, emojis, and other goods. You may cancel your paid channel membership at any time. Here are the steps. You can navigate to the channel homepage that you're a member of, and then click on the membership tab. Once you're there, click on More, and then press End Membership and Perks. You can also sign into your YouTube account, click onto your profile picture, and navigate to Purchases and Memberships. Next to the channel that you're a member of, click Manage Membership, then press Deactivate, and finally End Membership to cancel your channel membership. Once you cancel, you won't be charged again. You'll be able to use the badge and have access to all of those creator perks until the end of the billing cycle. Note that you won't be refunded for the period of time between when you cancel and when your channel membership officially ends. Purchases made for other YouTube products such as Super Chat, Super Stickers, Super Thanks, and donations are non-refundable. If you notice an unauthorized charge on your account for any of these products, use the link in the description to report the charge. Refunds from YouTube are returned to the payment method used to make the original purchase. Refunds take different amounts of time depending on how you paid. If your refund takes longer than expected, check your refund status on your Google Payments account. If the status is refunded, you'll find a credit on your form of payment. If the status is cancelled, the order was not charged and you will not find a credit on your form of payment. To learn more about requesting refunds on YouTube, check out the links in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.